Hello and welcome to another brand new course by techlatest.net on NVIDIA CUDA suite and GPU. So we welcome all of you in this course. So welcome to the comprehensive course on NVIDIA CUDA suite and GPU development. Basically, this course is for designed to provide you with a deep understanding of GPU programming and the NVIDIA CUDA suite. Throughout this course, you will gain valuable insight into the various tools and libraries provided by NVIDIA to you optimize and accelerate your application using GPU computing. Let's delve into the key components and objective of this course. Okay, so we will cover one by one all the things like what are the key components, what we will cover in this course, and let's cover one by one. So introduction to NVIDIA CUDA suite. Uh, So basically this is the agenda of our course overview and objective, introduction to NVIDIA CUDA suite, overview of NVIDIA GPU development ecosystem, uh, CUDA toolkit comprehensive GPU programming environment, setup and installation of NVIDIA CUDA suite on AWS, GCP and Azure, NVIDIA Insight Compute integrating development and debugging tools, NVIDIA Insight System, GPU accelerated deep learning libraries, NVIDIA utilities, NVIDIA System Management Interface, that is NVIDIA SMI, CUDA utilities, and then NVIDIA Compute Visual Studio Code Edition, and conclusion and key takeaways. Okay, so our first lecture is introduction to we will cover introduction to NVIDIA CUDA suite in this course. So basically in this lecture, we will begin with an introduction to NVIDIA CUDA suite, exploring its component and significance in the world of GPU computing. This section will set the stage for your journey into CUDA programming and GPU acceleration. Next, we will cover overview and like uh, overview of NVIDIA GPU development ecosystem. So basically, we will provide an overview of NVIDIA GPU development ecosystem. You will learn about the various tools, libraries, and platform that NVIDIA offers to support GPU development and how they interact to create a cohesive environment for high performing computing. Then CUDA toolkit. The CUDA toolkit is a comprehensive GPU programming environment. We will cover its features, including the development and debugging tools, performance optimization, utilization, and extensive libraries that help you develop efficient GPU accelerated application. Then setup and installation. Okay, so setup and installation of NVIDIA CUDA suite on various cloud. So practical session will guide you through the setup and installation of NVIDIA CUDA suite on various cloud platforms like AWS, GCP, Azure. By the end of this section, you will be well versed in configuring your development environment across different cloud services. Then we will cover NVIDIA Insight Compute, integrated development and debugging tools. So basically, uh, understand the various utilities provided by NVIDIA, including the NVIDIA System Management (SMI), which allows you to monitor and manage your GPU resources effectively. Then CUDA utilities dive into the specific uh, uh, dive it dive dive into the specific CUDA utilities installed in your development environment. We will highlight tools like CUDA FELL, CUDA GDB, and CUDA GDB Server, essential for development and debugging. Then Insight Compute Visual Studio Code Edition. So discover how to leverage the Insight Compute extension for Visual Studio Code, enabling a seamless integration of GPU development and debugging capabilities within the popular code editor. Then conclusion and key takeaways. We will wrap up with the course with a summary of key takeaways, ensuring you have a solid understanding of NVIDIA CUDA suite and equipped to apply GPU computing to your projects effectively. By the end of this course, you will be able to understand the CUDA suite, gain a through understanding of the NVIDIA CUDA suite and its component, how they facilitate GPU programming and development. Then setup development environment. So basically, uh, confidently set up and configure the NVIDIA CUDA suite on AWS, GCP, and Azure, ensuring a smooth development process across different cloud platforms. utilize Insight tools, effectively use NVIDIA Insight compute and Insight system to develop and analyze, optimize your GPU application, enhancing their performance and security. Then leverage NVIDIA utilities. So NVIDIA utilities NVIDIA such as NVIDIA SMI and CUDA specific tools to monitor, manage, and navigate your GPU resources and application. Integrate with Visual Studio Code addition. So seamlessly integrate a CUDA development into Visual Studio Code using the Insight Compute extension, streamlining your development workflow. Apply knowledge to projects. Apply the knowledge and skill gained from this course to develop, optimize, and manage GPU accelerated application, pushing the boundaries of performance and efficiency in your project. We are excited to have you on this journey into the world of GPU computing with the NVIDIA CUDA suite. So I'll also show you one thing, basically the VM part. Go on techlatest.net website, click on product and support page. Then here you can find about, here you can see the NVIDIA CUDA suite, complete NVIDIA GPU development suite. Click on this product. Then here you can see the overview of NVIDIA CUDA suite, introducing NVIDIA GPU Cloud and GC Virtual Machine section. NVIDIA CUDA suite VM solution is tailored for developers, researchers, and enterprises seeking seamless access to NVIDIA CUDA toolkit, NVIDIA Insight Compute, and NVIDIA Insight System. This compression solution offers a powerful system for GPU accelerated computing, enabling users to harness the full potential of NVIDIA GPU in the cloud environment without wasting their valuable time in installation and configuration. So these are the key features of this like NVIDIA CUDA suite VM. Basically, it consists of a lot of things like NVIDIA drivers and pre-configured setups, CUDA toolkit, NVIDIA Insight Compute, NVIDIA Insight System, Cloudware Virtual Machine. So if you check the GCP deployment guide, then here you can find about the GCP deployment guide, whole GCP deployment guide, about like how you set up NVIDIA CUDA suite on GCP, deploy on GCP. This is the Insight Visual Studio Code, then some CUDA utilities, then NVIDIA utilities. Then here you can see the AWS deployment guide. Then here you can see the setup and installation of NVIDIA CUDA suite and Azure development guide. Okay, then here you can find about the NVIDIA official documentation, which is like you can check this one. Okay, so here you can see the official guide documentation, then Visual Code extension, and after this here are the developer tools overview. So you can also check this one, and yep, that's all about this like lecture. Basically in this lecture we're talking about a lot of things like what we'll cover in in this course, like what are the things which like we cover in this course. And after this let's get started and unlock the power of GPU acceleration together. So like we'll very happy if you join this course, and like you have got good knowledge and good content. Apart from this, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also like this video. And yep, that's all about this video. We will meet in next video. Happy coding.